It happens. You're buying a home, you order the appraisal, and oh no, the appraisal value comes in lower than the purchase price. Oh man, it'll be okay though. Here are the 3 common types of financings that buyers use and what options you have. Okay, so number 1, conventional loans. This is Fannie and Freddie. You cannot order a second appraisal to try to meet a higher value, okay? Sorry, can't do it. The lender though, if they deem the appraisal to be deficient and the appraiser to be uncooperative, they can order a second appraisal to see if the value was true or if it should be higher, okay? So that is the only time that you can have a second appraisal on a conventional loan. It has to go through the lender, and there has to be a very good reason why they're ordering the second appraisal, okay? On FHA loans, the appraisal is tied to the property, all right? So once the case number is assigned on an FHA loan, the appraisal with the property for the next 180 days, the next 6 months. A second appraisal during those 180 days cannot be ordered unless the lender determines, similar to conventional loans, determines that the appraisal was highly deficient and the appraiser is not being cooperative in trying to do a reconsideration of value, then they can order the appraisal. And the third type of financing, a VA loan, it's probably the strongest when it comes to an appraisal in that it has 2 opportunities. The first one is called Tidewater notification. This is when the appraiser notifies the lender, hey, we don't have the report yet. We do not have the appraisal report yet, but it's looking like it's going to come in low. That value is going to come in lower than purchase price. So here's your chance to give me your 3 best comparable sold properties that I need to look at to help me obtain that value, okay? So the lender and the listing agents get together and provide those 3 comps to the appraiser to see if they can make value. Now, if it still comes in lower, say the appraisal report comes in after Tidewater and it still comes in lower, and you're confident that you have the proper comparable properties to make value, you can do a reconsideration of value, an ROV. This goes directly to the VA. So you bypass the appraiser, you go directly to the VA. This is basically an appeal, and it's coming directly from the veteran. If they, in writing, if they appeal the appraised value and say, state their case, here's why I think it should be this value, here's the reasons why, the VA will review it. They have 5 business days, and right now, at the time of this recording in 2023, a majority of the time, the value is increasing. So over 51%. Now, it may not go all the way up to the purchase price, but there is an increase in value. So it is worth doing, especially if you feel that the appraiser got it wrong, okay? So those are the 3 options you have on a conventional FHA and VA loan if the appraisal comes in low.